Ki Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babatam na banta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, thinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo ha India but shabari. Na banta ka jingpuli ka jingsiyo ka baret but pila bandaj puli da ka education loan. Pila urban chukol ha number khandai nyo saw san rio pranon lani khandai pran rio laisan tan riway khandai pra.
Hatu pikwa baki janjong pikil kuit bha benar kam daka Oswell Soup hila banyo na barok kidukan ka high powered committee jong ka assembly secretariat haka pratrik ujliyo ar hatar arpulai kala Shong ya ka Jingïalang banya ther bat banya tai sani haka bayadei bat ka Bteng menshna ya ka building jong ka assembly bathmai hamau diang Hakani ka Jingïalang ka balalong hata Shvivanta Shillong lai shimbanta lang daw lampang jong ka yengdar bar thau an u Thomas Isangma u menteri rangba ka Jalau Konrad Kongka Sangma ki sembut menteri rangba ki bakanthum nyau ba Preston Tensong bat yo ba snyau bhalang dhar ki MLA bat ki officer na kitna trekam ba pher u Thomas Isangma ula pentip ba ka high powered committee jong ka assembly secretariat bat kitna trekam ba pher kla menjur ya ka jingterwa na ka benta ban Bteng biang ya ka jingshna ya ka assembly bat mai hakawat ka baar bat ya ka ni ka jingterwa an pha shaka Ministry of Development of North East Region.
We reviewed the progress of the new assembly building, which is the first phase, and we also presented the proposal for the second phase also. Second phase will include the staff quarters, MLA hostels, and the other health centers, schools, and so on. As I said, basically, number one was the review of the status, present progress of the main assembly building. Then the second item, agenda number 2, was to discuss about the second phase, which we are submitting a proposal to the Government of India through the donor ministry. Then the third agenda item was the presentation of the security systems, providing security solutions to the assembly complex. We had a discussion, but this was the only first presentation, so we'll take it forward. Now, with the approval of the High Powered Committee, Assembly Secretariat, and the concerned departments like PWD and the other like PMCs and the consultants will sit together and again come back. We have decided to, since we are building this, having this assembly building and the complex from the scratch. So we wanted to incorporate the traditional and cultural aesthetics in the interior, especially in the interior and in and around the assembly complex. No, there are no changes actually, but the principle of coming out with this, proposal for second phase, we also decided, and without compromising on the as I said, the cultural traditional aesthetics, we have all agreed in principle that we should have. And also because we have 80 acres of land, but that looks very big, but actually when we put all the infrastructure inside, the space is not enough for us. That's why we have to plan accordingly. And this plan is not for short term, it is going for the next at least 2 or 3 generations in future. Yes, I had a discussion with the Government of India and the Minister concerned, and they have been very positive. But we will know only after we submit the proposals how to go about it. Now we are only submitting our proposals. Whether the Government of India will actually accept or consider, that is to be seen later on. But we will try our best. Honorable Chief Minister and myself, we will be approaching them personally. Yes, no, the clearing is already done. Now, to build up the pillar for the main center dome. So the construction is on. The debris is cleared. I think 90% or 99% cleared.
So the work has started?
Yes.